Well, if you don't know, a light car is a fast car, but how do you make a car lighter and faster? We'll tell you how.
Hi guys, Alex Peak Performance Reviews. Welcome to another video. A bit different today. We're doing a review of a product, and we've done that before, and it's very it relates very much so to cars and more for racing than anything else. So today we're basically doing a vlog video for you guys on car batteries, or to be precise, race batteries. So I've been using an Odyssey race battery, and it's been superb. Obviously it's lighter than most batteries on the market, this side of, you know, obscenely expensive batteries, some that can go up into the thousands, made of carbon fibre. But anyway, talking of lightweight race batteries, we now have a product that basically Hawke Motorsport have given us to test in our Civic Type R race car. So we're going to replace the Odyssey battery in that battery pack there, and we are about to use an RPS battery. Basically this battery is absolutely amazing, and I will tell you more. It is super lightweight, super powerful, which is absolutely brilliant. Watch on and we'll tell you more.
A clever man once said, to add speed, add lightness. Adding power makes you faster on the straights, but subtracting weight makes you faster everywhere. That clever man was Colin Chapman. And if you don't know who he is the founder of Lotus Cars. So yeah, let's find ways, and we always say find ways of making a car lighter, because you'll make your car faster. So in basic terms, what does losing weight in a car really do for your car's performance? To be honest with you, in basic terms, less weight improves every single performance aspect of your car. So let's break it down to give you guys a true idea of actually what happens. Obviously, reducing the car's weight increases your brake horsepower per tonne. Less weight equals better acceleration, equals better braking performance, better cornering, better response and feel, and in short, also better reliability. So whenever you can make your car lighter, make your car lighter. And when you get to that point where you're stripping out everything you can from the car and there's no more weight to be found, there's only one other way to find ways of stripping weight, and that's in a awesome RPS lightweight race battery, or should I say ultra lightweight RPS race battery. Okay, so I've unboxed the awesome RPS battery and taken it apart. So we've got all the lithium. It comes with a battery charger, lithium ion battery charger, and all required kind of cabling. You have to do your own cabling to the battery, but we've already done that. Obviously this is the Odyssey. It's a PC 370 that we've had before, and it uses a very similar basically fitting. So if you've already done something along the lines of what we done with the Odyssey battery, you'll be able to do very similar to the new lithium. But basically these come off, and then you'll essentially have that. You can put the ring eyelets through that, do it up, and then obviously you're going to have the same fitting as we've kind of essentially had there. So yeah, this will go straight on and into our battery tray, and we'll do that in a bit as well. But I'm going to talk to you more about the bump and how techie and amazing the RPS battery is. Before we get the RPS battery onto its first charge, one thing to note, you'll see it in the instructions anyway, they recommend that you get it up to charge and wait till the green light comes on. When the green light comes on, still charge it another hour. That's just for your first charge, so just one thing to note. But if we just put these side by side, size wise, the Odyssey battery is shorter in height than the RPS battery, and lengthwise a tiny bit longer as well. But I'm just lifting it up with my hand. There's no two ways about it. The Odyssey battery is considerably heavier than the RPS battery. So, but this will fit in most race trade. But the guys at Hawke Motorsport are going to be able to get these. Keep watching, guys, because I'm going to give you loads of tech about the RPS battery, and also
an even more amazing thing. Watch on, guys. We are going to give you a discount code for Peak Performance Reviews, and you're going to be able to basically get the best price. Hawke Motorsport already have the RPS batteries for a better price than anyone else. I'll tell you the price in a bit. And like I say, you'll get a discount code for being like a subscriber of Peak Performance Reviews, and you can use our discount code and get even more money off. But let me tell you more tech about how amazing this battery is and why it's absolutely awesome. And I'll tell you, going from obviously an Odyssey battery, why basically we're going to start to benefit from the RPS battery for sure. So yes, we definitely 100% categorically are going to weigh every single one of our batteries. So we've got the original battery that was in a Civic Type R, and it's probably a similar size to a lot of kind of batteries for cars that are kind of 2 litre or above. So we've got this battery from Bosch, and we're going to give it away. So you see that 14.1 kg. Don't worry, that's been out in the rain. I didn't realise it was going to rain, but it has. So 14.1 kg for the lead battery. Heavy arse battery. Now we're going to put our Odyssey battery on. That's 5.3 kg. And then we're going to get the RPS battery on. 3.1 kg. So clearly the RPS battery is considerably lighter. One thing to note, RPS do an even smaller battery, which we probably could have run on our Civic, but this is quite more industrial and bigger. Got a lot more cranking amps than the one that we could have had. But RPS do a battery that goes down to a weight of 1.8 kilograms. Good thing about this as well, if you look, RPS batteries claim 3.1 kilogram weight, and it's definitely 3.1 kilograms in weight. If you look at some of the tech spec on here as well, voltage and everything's as it needs to be for a car. Capacity 16 amps an hour, 211 watt hours, and the cranking amps on this thing, the pulse cranking amps, 840 amps, which is absolutely awesome. This thing is tiny, it weighs 3.1 kilograms, and it is an absolute beast. It has so much cranking capacity, which is brilliant. So we're going to test it out later, but it's going to be considerably better than this Odyssey battery. So the cranking amps on this is, the cold cranking amps is 200. Say this battery, actually it weighed a little bit less than the claimed weight as well, actually. And I would probably say it's probably because this is depleted. I've only had this a year, and it's definitely lost its kind of power capacity. This battery actually barely turns over my Civic Type R, if I'm honest. If you have it on and you leave it on for a little while, you know, 2, 3, 4 crank overs, and it will start to struggle. If you're running all kinds of different ancillary equipment, it's going to struggle. This battery is going to take normal running with all ancillaries, and it will take it all day long, every day. As good, well, actually better than even a big beefy lead battery. So massive thumbs up. Again, like I say, I'll tell you more tech about this and why it is so awesome.
So excuse the low light level conditions, but we're just basically reinstalling the Odyssey battery and the RPS battery after giving you a comparison of the weights. So we're going to just start up the Civic Type R race car on the Odyssey first.
Okay, first things first, let's unisolate it, see if we've got power. If we've got power, excuse the low light conditions. Right, so we're all ready to rock and roll. Let's give it a start over. Make sure we're out of gear. Yep, we are. Let's start it over. Got power to the pump. Let everything go off. Let's see how easy or hard it is to start with this little battery, the Odyssey. So yeah, not too bad. You can tell, you can hear by the almost like it's like that little crunch that basically that little Odyssey battery does really struggle to turn over this 2 litre Civic Type R K20 motor. But yeah, it works. So that's a cold start, so I'm not going to allow the engine to warm up too much, because obviously I don't want to give the RPS battery an unfair advantage by making the oil a bit more viscous. Re-isolate and disconnect the battery, the Odyssey battery from the car, and put our RPS battery. Our RPS battery is in. It's a snugger fit, but it's definitely in there. So let's give this another go now. So let's first of all turn the isolator off. Check we get power. Right, power straight away. Let's see how it turns off, or turns on. That feels like that's instant. Yeah, just you could hear the core. Yeah, well, I'm sure you could hear that. I'm not used to obviously how well that fired up. You can hear the cranking power of that battery in comparison to the Odyssey. So yeah, that turns over this this car much easier, and I'm sure you'll agree. So yeah, good kind of comparison between one and the other. So yeah, happy days. Yeah, pleased with that. So I'm going to get into the tech of this battery and why it's so awesome. Basically, this isn't just a lithium battery, it's actually a lithium iron phosphate battery, which is basically LiFePO4. So basically the Li, if you know your periodic table, Li is lithium, and then basically your Fe is iron, and then PO is phosphate. So it's a bit different to a normal kind of lithium ion technology that is already out there. Like nickel based rechargeable batteries, and unlike lithium ion batteries, these LiFePO4 batteries they have a very constant discharge voltage. Basically what that means is each voltage cell stays really close to 3.2 volts during discharge, so until the cell is completely exhausted. So basically that allows the cell to deliver virtually full power until it's completely discharged. And like I said, keep an eye on the video till the end, because we're going to give you guys a discount code as well, and look out for it or in the bio. And by all means, obviously, get in contact with us as well. But yeah, you can buy these batteries from Hawke Motorsport, and they are the best place to buy these from. Like I say, you're going to get a discount only from Hawke Motorsport, one of my sponsors. But yeah, definitely, I can't wait to use this. It's going to shave another 3 kilograms of weight off of the car. Sprung mass, sprung weight out of the car. Very hard when you get to a point where you strip a car out and you've got a cage in there and you're stripping every bit out you can think of, and you're at that point where you just can't get no more weight out of the car. This is saving you loads. Like I say, you can go for the 1.8 kilogram battery, and it's still got a huge cranking output, easy, big, good enough for something that we've got out there. And yeah, basically it can be 1.8 kg. This one's 3.1, so it's way lighter than the Odyssey battery, which is awesome. So, and it's super lightweight in comparison to the lead battery, which is really good. The lithium iron phosphate cells are much harder to ignite in the event of mishandling and damage, so there's a safety aspect there as well. So this is why some of the top kind of Le Mans cars, GT cars, use batteries actually like this. You'll probably find that they're a lot more expensive than this as well. So for the money, for what you're getting for the weight, these batteries are absolutely superb. Like I say, with our discount code, you're going to get it for such a good price, and for the weight advantage you're going to get in the sprung mass, absolutely superb. So yeah, we're so pleased to have these guys on board, and basically we can't wait to use it. It's just going to be absolutely superb. So yeah, one of the other things as well, it has a much these batteries have a much higher current and peak power ratings than any other battery, which is really good. They also, like I said and talked about, they have a slower rate of capacity loss. So as they're discharging, you don't lose voltage, which is great. And that's much better, and it has much better chemistry than a normal lithium ion battery, which is really good as well. So you know, more positive things from it as well, which is really good. Right guys, so if you want to get this RPS battery, head over to Hawke Motorsport, and they'll give you The best price you can get anywhere on the UK anyway, and also you'll get our discount code as well, so Peak Performance Reviews discount code. Really hope you enjoyed the review, and as always guys, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, comment and let us know your thoughts. If you've got any questions as well, hit them on the comment section. As always, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again on the next one. Bye for now.